Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of JPG file can't open in Windows 10. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to settings of your system, and in settings you have to just go to the apps. Here it is, apps. In apps you have to just find out the default apps, and you in default apps you have to just scroll down and choose this option, choose default apps by file type, and open this page. Will take a little bit time to open this. So at this page we have to just find out JPEG and JPG file. Finally page loaded. So here it is, these are two files, JPEG and JPG. So you have to just select this file should be open not as a default, it should be open on by photos. So if it is not selected, so you should have to just select it to and convert it to photos. Here it is now, JPG and JPEG file both are on open with photos, so it is fine. So by doing this your issue will be fixed and your JPG file will start open again. So if it doesn't open, so you have to just go to the steps 2, which is basically go to settings, and in settings you have to just go to apps again, and in apps you have to just type photos. Here it is, the Microsoft Corporation. You have to just open it, click it, and go to the advanced option. And in advanced option you have to just scroll down, and in scroll down you have to just click on reset this option, because if this app is not working right, so you have to just click on reset. So you have to click on reset, so it will be reset this and your issue will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix after click on reset, so you have to just also click on repair. So if there is any bug in the app, so it will be repair it as well. So it will fix your problem as well. So if it doesn't fix, so we have step 3, which is basically the last step. So in this step you have to just open PowerShell, the command section, and click on run as administrator, and you have to just click on yes. So this command has been opened. So at here you have to just type this code as I have mentioned here at in PowerShell. I will also upload this code in the description of the video as well, so you can copy it from there. So basically this command will reinstall and register all the Windows 10 built-in apps. If there are n number of built-in apps, this command reinstall all of them and register all of them. So you have to just copy it and just paste it here. As you can see, just paste it here and press enter. When you press enter, it will take a little bit of time to reinstall and register all the apps. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.